Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video I will teach you how you can fix this type of error. Sorry, there was a problem with your request on your iPhone and iPad. Let's get started without wasting any time. So before starting the video, let me tell you why you may face this problem. So guys, if your account gets suspended due to some violation or your internet is not working properly, or if you are not able to enter the username and password combination correctly, then you may see this problem. And you can see this problem if you are using an older version of the Instagram app or you have not updated your phone, and this problem can also occur due to server down. So guys, to solve this problem, in this video I will tell you very simple and easy ways that you can follow to solve this problem. So now guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the App Store, and there you have to search for the Instagram app. And here make sure that you are using the latest version of the app. After updating the app, now what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings menu on your device. On the settings menu, find and tab General, tab Software Update. Here, make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS in your iPhone. If you have not done so, then do it. So guys, if you have installed the latest version of Instagram and also installed the latest version of the software, but your problem is not solved, then you have to reboot your iPhone once. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.